Hey, this is Art and welcome back to the 5-day challenge. This is day 4, so I hope you already did the 3 previous tasks. So first of all, I hope that you already know which is your niche, which is the category that you're gonna be delivering the gigs in. Secondly, I hope that you already have your Fiverr account opened. Thirdly, I hope you found the gig that you're going to be mirroring, okay? So today what we're gonna be doing is we will actually create your gig. Okay, so going back to this gig that I want to mirror, I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails. First of all, you need a few things. The first thing you need is the title, so you can just rewrite it. Okay, so if this guy says I will design 3 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours, just because you don't have the 600 5-star ratings that this guy has, I would say I would make it just a little bit better. So I would say I will design 4 YouTube thumbnails in 24 hours. Okay, and you can even lower the price, because the most important thing is to get the first 10 orders in. Okay, so obviously this guy, he has already 614 5-star reviews, so he doesn't have to worry about getting new clients. The clients are coming in automatically. But you, with a brand new Fiverr account, with a brand new gig, you have to attract these clients. So that's why you have to be competitive when it comes to your gig. So you just have to outcompete whoever is on top. So you just have to give people a better deal, faster delivery, give more for less, and then obviously lower your price. So if he's delivering 3 YouTube thumbnails, I would do 4 YouTube thumbnails. Normally people don't deliver in 24 hours, so 24-hour delivery is your another forte. And if he's charging $10, I would start charging $5 and just keep it like this for the first 5 to 10 orders. Okay, and what you can do, you can just create a similar graphics right here, and you can go to snappa.com and you can use a bunch of different free templates right here. So the YouTube thumbnail, this is a great template because it's very, very similar to what Fiverr is using. Okay, so just create a similar graphic, and keep in mind shocking colors, yellow, green, red, blue. These are the great colors for attracting eyeballs to your gig. And then just create something similar. So again, keep in mind, keep your price lower, deliver faster. But if he has these kind of packages, I would just create very, very similar packages, just making your gig better. And then I would just rewrite this description right here, and that's your gig. What you won't see here is the tags. So when it comes to this category, I would use tags, YouTube thumbnail design, fast, reliable. Use as many tags as you want. Post it in the same category. So this guy has graphic and design, social media design, so just keep it in the same category. So this is your task for this video. Actually create a gig, mirror the existing gig that you found yesterday on day 3. So just create a great graphic, rewrite the original gig, and then hopefully, so by the end of today, you're gonna have a gig that will be ready to sell, and hopefully you will start selling it immediately. If not, then tomorrow we will work on it as well. Okay, so this is your task for day 4. Create a gig, mirror it from this original gig that you found, and I will be seeing you tomorrow on day 5. Ciao. And a super simple update or a reminder, the 5-day challenge will be held inside of my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. Okay, so if you are inside the group already, if you have any questions or if you want me to answer anything, just comment on the post with the daily challenge. Okay, so this will be the first post that you will see every single day, and I will also do a Facebook live video every single day answering your questions. Okay, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment under the daily challenge video. If you are on YouTube, please go to the Facebook group to ask questions if you received a mini chat message or an email. Again, please go to the Facebook group, please leave me your questions, please leave me your comments, because I will be doing a Facebook live every single day answering your questions. and making sure that you are still in the loop, that you all of your questions are answered, and I'm just here for you, and I will help you out with anything you need. So again, you should already have the link to my Art of Marketing Academy Facebook group. If you don't, just do a quick Facebook search and you should be seeing this group right here. Ask me questions, I will answer during the daily Facebook lives, and can't wait to hear your questions. All right, peace out.